tiny cat is making a cake that's so cute. This is how it's done. The cat jumps up on the counter and starts kneading the dough. Then it rolls it out into a perfect circle. It's so fluffy and soft. The cat looks so proud of its work. Then it starts to decorate the cake with some pink frosting. The cat licks the frosting off the spoon, and then the cake is finished. It looks so delicious. The little cat takes a bite and then runs away. I guess that means it's time to eat. The end.